Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Today we're going to...
Balloon! Happy birthday!
Yes! We're going to Dollar Tree to buy balloons para kay Jubel kasi may surprise birthday party kami! Yay!
Balloon!
Yes! So isasama namin kayo sa surprise birthday party ni Tita Jubel! See you!
Happy birthday!
Okay, come on. Oh my gosh, where is Zion? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Join ko na lang, Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Nahulog ang camera. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Jobel! Si Daddy may extra music.
Happy na birthday pa!
Daddy finish na.
Daddy finish. Dito pa kami sa holding area, hindi pa kami sinusunod.
Shagal naman.
The drinks.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Day to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Sinundo kayo.
It's your birthday, let's have fun. Lots of cake for everyone. Balloons and candles, games to play. We will laugh and sing all day.
So today is August 10, 1986. August 10, 2024, and it's my birthday. Yay! We're going to the church, and then after that, pupunta tayo sa Lindenwood Park para mag-barbecue. Family day. Say hi! Hello guys! Hi! Tita, hi! I'm Mr. Nugent.
Hello.
Para sa vlog lang. For the vlog! Thank you! Dun ka naman. Sir, ay, tatay. Pinutulosan si tatay. Sige lang. Ay, dala ko yung tripod. Bye! Happy birthday!